Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. In this video I would like to share with you an unboxing and first look overview of a new CIVIVI that I got. This will be the CIVIVI Foldis. The model number is C21044-2. This is yet another medium to small knife with no lock. Inside the package we have a microfiber cloth, a warranty information card and two stickers, and a really nice pouch. Okay, so this being a Ostap Hel design, you will get a really nice knife itself. So if you know Ostap Hel designs, he collaborated with many companies like Bestech, Real Steel and so on, and now we have another knife with CIVIVI. Let me give you the overall specs. So we have an overall length of 16 centimeters, that is 6.3 inches. The blade is 6.8 centimeters or 2.7 inches with a cutting edge of 3.6 centimeters or 2.5 inches. The width is 1.9 centimeters, 0.7 inches. The thickness is 2.5 millimeters or 0.09 inches. So this will be an excellent slicer with this full fat ground blade. The handle is 9.3 centimeters or 3.6 inches, and the thickness is 1 centimeter or 0.4 inches. On the blade we have Nitro-V with nice black stone wash. On the handles we have first time used nice dark brown, almost burgundy color linen micarta. With nice milling features, so it will give you a little bit more traction. The hardware is full blacked out. The liners are not skeletonized because of the double detent ball mechanism inside, so this is a slip joint. So in all of those jurisdictions where blades with only 2.5 inches with cutting edge and no lock are permitted, then this will be your one of your options out there. So some of European countries have these laws, so and Ostap Hel does make a knife for you. Okay, so like on some previous Ostap Hel designs, we have a wire pocket clip. Thank you very much. This is probably the best, like I always say, best pocket clip for EDC knife, just because it goes really well inside the pocket. So let me give you the pocket profile really quick. So it has I would say medium to stiff stiffness, and this is how much it will stick out. Let me show you also the sharpness out of the box, but let's face it, it is CIVIVI, and yes, like I expected, this is excellent slicing capabilities with that really thin grounded blade. We have Ostap Hel design on the top. It has also a nice jimping on the top, given this is a front flipper. Yeah, really nice. Okay, so the pivot assembly, it rides on caged ball bearing washers, and the weight comes at 56.1 gram or 2 ounces, so really nice and lightweight. If I am remembering correctly, the only lighter similar compact knife is the Flash one. I'll be showing you later on in the video. Okay, so for who is this knife catered to? So I would say everybody who wants a gentleman slash unobtrusive small but capable design for, let's say, not heavy duty task, because let's face it, it is a double detent ball joint knife, so you have to be very careful how to use it. There is an integrated finger choil right here, so This should prevent on closing you, but accidents can happen, so be careful. This could potentially really hurt you if the knife would close on you, so no poking in hard things, okay? Okay, so the centering, I would say really nice. We have a standoff construction, one standoff here, integrated stop pin into the blade itself, so it will rotate. Really nice and clean design. Ostap Hel just make these. I don't know if he can improve on his design, but it looks like he can. So let's continue with the comparison with the knife. Before that, let me talk about a little bit of the pricing. So these have MSRP of 72.4 US dollars. Usually these will sell around 61.50 or around 70 euros here in Europe. So given the quality that CIVIVI represents and the fit and finish, I would say this is a decent price. I would love to see it at around $50 or 50 euros, but let's face it, with everything that goes around the world and inflation and so on, that it is bound to be happen that also knives will cost more, but it is what it is. So let me show you a few other knives that I have here on my table. So basically when I first time experienced Ostap Hel design was with the G-Slip. So this is one of his most popular model with real steel. So this is the G-Slip Compact. This has been a burgundy micarta limited edition. So here we can compare these two colors side by side. So like I said, more brown than the burgundy, but not that far away. And also I have here the full-size G-Slip. This was also probably some deal exclusive, I don't remember. So this is the full size, this is the compact, and if one day Real Steel will contract Ostap Hel to make a mini, then there will be probably around the side of the Foldis. And I'm speculating that maybe this knife was intended to be smaller, not to directly compare with the G-Slip, but these two are traditional back spring with half stop slip joints. Okay, so now let me give you a few other comparative options. So here is the Luna from it's a Polish designer, Poltergeist Blade Works. And Jacob, he has a really complicated Polish name, so I don't like to butcher his name, so I will not say it. This was the Luna is still available from Real Steel, had different materials, but this was also a limited edition with brown micarta. Readily available is the Appalachian Drifter, which is a CIVIVI in-house design. This is also a top flipper, front flipper with a, if they are double detent or only one detent ball. And also I mentioned one of the lightest compact knives that I own is of course the old legendary SOG Flash 1. This comes at 32.1 grams or 1.2 ounces, so almost the half of the weight of the Foldis. And I'm really sad that SOG did stop making these old style Flash ones, because they were really popular, and assisted opening really nice, compact, small, with a deep carry pocket clip. Okay, so now let's see some more size comparisons. So here is the Range Buster from Burka Plus, which is a Saltbuster Junior sized pattern knife. Here's the Saltbuster Junior from Case. The Apta series from Rough Rider, traditional slip joint. I have here also the small work knife from the Tater Micarta series from Rough Rider. Here is the CRKT Pilar. A tech tool from Burka Plus. Twisted assisted Junzi, another beautiful functional slip joint. This has the Micarta scales on it. Let's see, here is the bug out. Ride Model 2. Spider Codelica. Mini Feldspar from CJRB. CIVIVI Elementum. QSP Penguin. A small Griptilian from Benchmade. Here is the Rough Rider Peanut. And let's close it down with the Cape Dojo Folding Hunter. Okay, so closing thoughts. Overall, I must say this is another beautiful slip joint design from Ostap Hel with CIVIVI knives. So if you're looking for something really nice, slim, compact, lightweight, with a functional, really good functional pocket clip, then try out the CIVIVI Foldis. With that being said, if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you, and I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.